Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of struggling with weight loss? Do you feel like you're doing everything right, but the pounds just won't budge? Well, today, I'm going to reveal the shocking reasons why you might be struggling to lose weight, reasons that go way beyond just diet and exercise. I'm not just going to tell you what's wrong, but how to finally break through these barriers and achieve the weight loss you deserve. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to give you a powerful strategy you can implement today to kickstart your weight loss journey. Let's dive in. Okay, reason number 1, gut health imbalance. Did you know that your gut is like a second brain? It's home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad, and the balance between them dramatically affects your weight. An unhealthy gut dysbiosis can lead to increased inflammation, poor nutrient absorption, and even cravings for sugary and processed foods. What destroys our gut health? Processed foods, sugar, stress, antibiotics, all common culprits in modern life. But here's the good news, you can heal your gut. Focus on eating a diet rich in prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics are foods that feed your good bacteria. Think garlic, onions, asparagus, and bananas. Probiotics are live bacteria found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Consider taking a high-quality probiotic supplement to further support your gut health. Remember to choose a supplement with a diverse range of strains. Reason number 2 is chronic stress and elevated cortisol. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a stress hormone that can wreak havoc on your weight. Cortisol promotes fat storage, especially around the abdomen, and increases cravings for high-calorie comfort foods. It also disrupts sleep, which further impairs weight loss. Modern life is filled with chronic stressors, work, finances, relationships. It's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress. My top recommendations: practice mindfulness meditation, engage in regular exercise, especially activities you enjoy, spend time in nature, and prioritize sleep. Even just 10 minutes of meditation a day can make a huge difference. And remember, exercise isn't just about burning calories, it's also a fantastic stress reliever. Reason number 3, hidden food sensitivities. You might be eating healthy foods that are actually causing inflammation and hindering your weight loss efforts. Unlike food allergies, food sensitivities can cause subtle symptoms like bloating, fatigue, skin problems, and even weight gain. The most common culprits: gluten, dairy, soy, corn, and eggs. The best way to identify food sensitivities is through an elimination diet or food sensitivity testing. An elimination diet involves removing suspected foods from your diet for a period of time, usually 2 to 3 weeks, and then gradually reintroducing them one at a time to see if you experience any symptoms. Consider getting a food sensitivity test to pinpoint sensitivities. Once you've identified your trigger foods, eliminate them from your diet and see how you feel. Reason number 4, sleep deprivation. Not getting enough quality sleep is one of the most overlooked factors in weight management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep disrupts your hormones, increasing hunger hormones like ghrelin and decreasing satiety hormones like leptin, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Create a bedtime routine, avoid screen time before bed, and ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool to increase sleep quality. If needed, seek a medical practitioner to find the cause of poor sleep quality. Okay, so now you know the shocking reasons why you might be struggling to lose weight. But remember, knowledge is power. Now it's time to put this information into action. My powerful strategy for you is this: choose one of these areas: gut health, stress management, food sensitivities, or sleep, and focus on improving it for the next week. Just one thing: start small, be consistent, and track your progress. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more science-backed health tips, and share it with anyone who's struggling to lose weight. And tell me in the comments, which of these shocking reasons resonates most with you. What action will you take this week? I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching.